Hello everyone, welcome back to my new video. Today I am going to show you a very stylish and trending fashion influencer Ishita. Her fashion style, lifestyle and dance video are really amazing and inspiring. If you love fashion reel and modeling, then this video is perfect for you. So make sure you watch till the end. Ishita is a rising fashion influencer and model. She is getting popular because of her style, look and confident personality. On her profile, you can see a mix of modern fashion and traditional outfits. So make how she presents herself is a very simple but attractive way that people love her content. Her fashion style is very trendy. She looks amazing in western outfits like crop top, skirt and dress. At the same time, she also looks very elegant in sari and traditional wear. Her style is always clean, simple and so she does not overdo things and that make her look more natural and style. If you look closely, her outfits are always well matched. Her top button and together she keep her look balanced, not too heavy and not too simple. Her fashion is easy to follow and anyone can try her style in daily life. Then what makes her content? Her lifestyle is simple but classy. She does not try to hard impress. She stays natural. Her confidence and positivity energy make her stand out. Her smile and make her video more attractive. She shows that you do not need too much to look good. Just confident is. She creates a short reel and dance video. Her slow motion dance moves are very smooth and stylish. She uses simple steps but strong experience. Her timing perfect and her body language look very natural. That's why her reel get a lot of views and energy. One more important thing is her video quality. She uses good lighting and plain background. Her camera angle are simple but effect. She also different idea and style in her video. This creativity make her content fresh and every time. Her followers are day by day increasing. This is because she is very creative. She uploads regularly and understand that her audience like. This is a big lesson for new creators and is the key to success. If you want to become a fashion influencer or model, you can learn a lot from Ishita. Start simple and confident and keep improving every day. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this content, do not forget like, share and subscribe to the channel. Comment below that you think about Ishita style. See you in the next video. Bye.